Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This is the one with the cool custom wheels, skinny front tire, fat tire in the back, twin cylinder liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's got awesome sounding Vance and Hines pipes, highway bar, stereo system, running lights, rear passenger backrest, belt drive, beautiful black and matte white with a nice red stripe. Make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.